Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
How to clear skin fast and naturally. Choosing natural ingredients. Step: decide if natural ingredients are better. Natural beauty is an attractive option, but changing from your true and tried face cleansers, moisturizers, and face masks is not as simple as changing your pants. Step: select between organic, natural, and vegan. Use certified organic beauty products that contain natural ingredients such as honey, berries, and other fruits as long as they are void of synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, and other inorganic substances. Step: understand the claims for going natural or vegan. Vegan also means that the product was not tested on animals, but that does not necessarily mean that vegan is organic. Step: think carefully about a manufactured brand. Most are mild in small quantities while others, like phthalates, are linked to birth defects, sperm damage, and even feminization of male babies. Read the label. Step: look out for non-natural ingredients. How to clear skin fast and naturally. Doing it yourself. Step: use a gentle cleanser. If you want to avoid using prescription products, try washing your face twice a day with mild soap and warm water using your hands instead of a washcloth. Step: dry excess oil and promote peeling. Benzoyl peroxide, when applied to the skin, reduces the amount of acne-causing bacteria by drying the skin and making it peel. Step: use moisturizers. Moisturizers have many benefits for the skin, such as protection, improved skin tone and texture, treat dry skin, and cover up imperfections. Step: avoid irritants. Maintain good hygiene and keep your hair, hands, and tight clothing off of your face. Be mindful of sweating and dress appropriately. How to clear skin fast and naturally. Eating properly. Step: eat a healthy diet for glowing, radiant and luminous skin. Naturally gorgeous skin starts with eating a diet full of vitamins and minerals. These foods are high in vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants that help repair damaged skin. Avocados and olive oil contain healthy fats. Step: drink water for hydration. Drinking 8 to 10 8-ounce servings of water a day. Step: drink green tea. Green tea possesses an abundant amount of plant polyphenols and antioxidants that protect the skin against UV rays, accelerated aging of the skin, and loss of tissue elasticity. Step: fill your diet with fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables have an unending amount of good nutrients that will nourish your skin and prevent aging and wrinkles. Good nutrition, after all, is the foundation of healthy skin. Step: get lots of antioxidants in your diet. Vitamins A and E found in pumpkins, sweet potatoes, carrots, and cantaloupes are high in antioxidants. In other words, eating a healthy diet will help you obtain all the necessary antioxidants your body needs. Steps: snack on foods with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are excellent for strengthening your skin and are largely found in fish and nuts. Almonds, pecans, hazelnuts. Step: avoid sugar. Sugar spikes insulin levels, which will induce inflammation, irritating and aging your skin.